Brace yourself, a cosmic event is about to unfold, and it's happening closer to home than you might think. Imagine a gigantic asteroid, comparable in size to a passenger jet, hurtling toward Earth at extraordinary speeds. Sound intense? You can actually witness this dramatic close encounter with your own eyes, live and online, very soon. The stunningly named Near-Earth Asteroid 2025 QD8 was spotted only recently, but it's already making headlines because of how close it will come to our planet. On September 3rd, this space rock is expected to zip by at an incredibly tight distance of about 135,465 miles, 218,009 kilometers. That's just 57% of the way to the moon. To put it in perspective, that's less than 2/3 of the distance astronauts travel to get to our lunar neighbor. The precise moment of this closest approach is set for 10:57 a.m. ET, 14:56 GMT. Curious to see it for yourself? The Virtual Telescope Project is making it easy. They're hosting a free, live YouTube broadcast beginning at 7 p.m. Eastern Time, Grace Days of 2025, offering real-time footage of 2025 QD8's rapid approach. These live images will be captured by a network of advanced robotic telescopes located in the picturesque town of Manciano, Italy. If you've ever felt astronomy was hard to access, here's your ticket to the front row. So how big is this asteroid? Estimates put its diameter between 55 and 124 feet, roughly 17 to 38 meters, making it about the length of a typical airliner. Even more astonishing, it's whizzing past Earth at breakneck speeds topping 28,000 miles per hour, over 45,000 kilometers per hour. Thankfully, and this is the reassuring part, experts confirm there is zero chance of this object hitting either Earth or the moon during its flyby. But wait, here's where it gets controversial. Should we really feel safe about asteroids missing us by such relatively small margins? On August 30th, just days before the close pass, astronomers working with the Virtual Telescope Project managed to photograph 2025 QD8 from about 2.4 million miles, 3.9 million kilometers away, using a 17-inch telescope affectionately known as Elena. In a 300-second-long exposure, the asteroid appears as a tiny, barely visible speck, moving among the backdrop of countless distant stars, a humbling reminder of our planet's place in the vast solar system. Stepping back, it's important to realize that NASA and partner organizations routinely discover thousands of similar near-Earth objects, some of which could potentially strike our planet in the future. In fact, the catalog of so-called potentially hazardous asteroids continues to grow. But here's the part most people miss. The likelihood of an asteroid capable of causing major destruction impacting Earth within the next century is, according to NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, extremely remote. So what does all this mean for us? Should we be worried or simply fascinated? Does seeing these close passes shake your confidence or reinforce your trust in our space scientists' ability to track new threats as they emerge? And most importantly, do you think humanity spends enough effort and resources on planetary defense? Let's get the conversation going. Do you consider events like this thrilling, unsettling, or perhaps something else entirely? Share your thoughts and spark some debate. Are we doing enough to keep watch over our cosmic neighborhood, or are these near misses warning shots we shouldn't take for granted?